So I'm happy because you're on geometry. Yeah, get it there? Oh no, time is limited already. Okay, so guys, you're on geometry. We are on geometry. We are on geometry, right? So the first I'm going to look at is, anyways, welcome you all to my class. This, you know already, favorites, favorites, favorites. Mathematics students are comfort and mathematics. So if this is the first time joining my class, a special welcome goes to you. If you're yet to subscribe, please help me subscribe to my channel and click on the subscribe button. So click on the notification bell to be the first to be updated whenever I upload a new video. Alright. Thank you. Today's Friday, I'm going to try it. Alright, so guys, what we have for today is, before I really come to what we have for today, let us quickly look at what we are going to learn under geometry. So what we are going to look at is, one, the area of the parallelogram, or area of parallelograms, areas of triangles, areas of trapezoid and kites, three-dimensional figures, surface areas and prisms, surface areas of pyramids, volumes of a circular pyramid. Guys, this is a lot. These episodes are a lot. Okay, so you're going to run a bit, and I hope you guys pardon for that because our time is limited for SU already. We are going to work hand in hand before we be able to cover this and quickly review some standards before we now go and face our SU ready. Yeah, the bigger picture. All right, so we have a STEAM video to help you. Can you watch the STEAM video together? Sorry, we'll definitely donate for the cause. What's this designed for? I wanted to make a special box for the cookies, so I just decided to design one myself. Amazing. So it looks like you're designing a net to fold into the box shape. Oh yeah, so this here on the right is the lid and this in the middle is the box. And what's about this on the left here? Well, I wanted to make something for the cookies to eat again, so it would be displayed well in the box. Can I help? Yeah. I'm about to cut out the prototype to make sure it works. Do you mind finding out which list it will be? I'll get right to it. Great, thank you. Okay, so I have measured the surface area of your design, but what size paper will you be using? Oh, I will be using a roll of paper that is 48 inches wide. Okay, so your design is 47 inches long, so that would be 1 inch of waste if we placed it across the width. Or we could also place it along the length and fit 3 designs side by side. Great idea, because your design is 16 inches wide, so 16 times 3 is 48, which means no waste. No, well, there'll be some waste because we are cutting a piece of paper away from it. Right, and I figured out that the surface area is 619 square inches, and the extra material is 133 square inches. All right, that's not bad at all. No. Can you show me how you did that? So I broke down the figure into a net of polygons with easily calculated shapes. So there's one big rectangle, two smaller rectangles, 7 trapezoids, and the small rectangle here that's item. And the area of the rectangle that it contains is just 47 inches by 16 inches, making it 752 square inches. So that's how you found the waste, by finding the surface area of the design and taking that away from the rectangle. Let's say one. So how did your design change? Somewhat. How do you wrap the box? You know, how did it size? So the surface area. I mean, you know, surface area already. Okay. So you want to maybe give this one to someone, but you need to package it well to fit into the box. Right. So that's all that it did. Okay. All right. Thank you for watching with me. I'm sorry. All right, so we have, let me just zoom it in here.
So that is all about the same video. It's gives an overview of whatever we are going to do. So now we come to the main thing. Let's go to the get it ready. Our key vocabulary here is what's polyglot. So we are on the areas of parallelogram. All right. The homework activity is there, exploration. That is how to derive the formula. Okay. How to derive the formula. We derive formula of parallelogram from rectangles. It's just a tilted rectangle. So basically, area of a rectangle and area of a parallelogram are the same. You can reorganize a parallelogram to give you back your rectangle. You get it, all right. So that is what that exploration is saying. Now we come to key idea. The key idea consider the key vocabularies. Yes. So the standard is area of parallelogram. Learning target is by the end of the class, students will be able to find areas and missing dimensions of parallelograms using square sheets. So you're going to use square sheets to do it. I'm going to use square sheets, right, to do that. Square sheets. I'm going to draw your areas on it and count how many squares, how many boxes you have. So that is the first area of the parallelogram. I'm not going to rush it. I'm going to take you through everything. So parallelogram is basically, as I said, like a rectangle, a tilted rectangle. So you have the base here, you have the height. The height is the line with the yellow square beneath it. So if you see that, oh, so this is the height. That is height, okay? So quickly put a formula down, base as height. Then you substitute your dimensions into the formula. Note that the base can be any part of the parallelogram. The base it's not static to be the horizontal. It can be any part of the parallelogram, right? So that's the formula. Now you could identify parallelogram when you see one. You can calculate for the formula. You know the formula as base and height. That is all. So let's look at our first trial question. Move. Okay, so the first trial, find the area of this parallelogram. You know, this at the height, because that is the one, the long side with the little square meters. So this is the height, this is the base. So 25 meters times 20 meters is what? So that is giving you what? 500. Did I hear you say 500? No. Did I hear you say 500 meters? No. But 500 was square meters. So take note again, for finding the area of, or the units of measurement for area, it was square units. Okay, square units. The units can be meters, centimeters, feet, inches, anything at all. The square units, that's all. So this is 500 square meters. So if you don't bring a square meter, that is not an area you calculated, that is wrong. Sometimes you try to, trick students. A, 500 meters. B, 500 square meters. Oh, 500 square meters. Okay, cool. All right, so that is one example there. Let's see whether we have another example. Okay, so over here to 18 inches times 7 inches. So put a formula down based on height. 18 times 7. I think it's 126. So 126 watts. So therefore, the area is equal to 126 square inches. Square inches. Is that all? Over here, so we was 25 pence yards times the height. The height is the 25 pence times the base, 30 yards. So what is the area? Multiply these two together. You're getting 615 square yards. Now, great understanding of this. One, should be able to identify what a parallelogram is. Two, should be able to know the area, the formula to find the area of a parallelogram. Know that parallelogram is literally the same as was a tilted rectangle. So it has the same area as a rectangle. That is all, okay? Sometimes in some situations, they'll give you the area, they'll give you one side, either the height or the base, and they'll ask you to find the other side. First approach, put on the formula. Please substitute your values into the formula, then you can now solve your question. So raise your hand on this. Thank you for the thumbs up. Love you. All right, so that is a little thing I just came to give you. All right, so in other instances too, they can give you, they can ask you to find area in a different unit. So you would have to do the conversion right there. So sometimes you ask you to maybe find the area in centimeters square units, but they will give you the question in meters square units. So you would have to convert after getting your area in meters square units. You convert it to the centimeters square unit. So the units they are asking you to do so. So know your conversion at the tip of your finger. Okay? So that you'll be able to convert them correctly to get your answers right. Because if you're able to calculate it without converting them, that will still not be right. So this brings us to the end of the lesson. Let's look at one module of real life activity. When you say rectangle, I mean, you guys know shape that forms a rectangle. Everything, almost everything is classroom. You mentioned so many things, the class, the cardboard, the board, the door, the windows, your book, the laptops, the papers, almost everything is the floor, talking to this floor, the roof. I mean, almost everything is transformed to rectangle shape. And the shape, you can get your parallelogram from the rectangle and take it back to the rectangle. All right, so there's a question I have for you. You guys should go try your hands on the area of a parallelogram shaped forest. What by roads is 99,000 square yards. So this is the area, they're giving you the area. What is the length of the deer trail? So over here, this is the trail, let me zoom it up. Right, yeah. So this is the trail, they're giving you the trail to be, the base of the trail to be 660 yards. And they're asking you of the length of the trail, the length of the deer trail. So how do you find the length? Put out the formula, area equals length times base times height. Area has been given as 99,000. Base is 660. You don't know the height. So do your substitution and do your mathematical thing. And that should give you the final answer. All right, thank you so much for your time and attention. I believe this tutorial was helpful. I mean, I was able to give something technical information. If it was, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, down there. Don't forget to share the links to your friends. I really appreciate your support and all you do to make mathematics made easier stand out and helpful to everyone. So we meet again. Please stay safe. Okay. And again, let's continue. 1 minute for SC. Ready? Shut. See. Bye.